Have you ever heard of Binance? I'm guessing probably yes, but what do you know about its founder Changpeng Zhao, aka CZ? From a restaurant worker in Canada to the founder of the world's largest crypto exchange. How did he do it? Well, today we're going to find out. Welcome to our channel where we bring you stories of ambitious people who dared to dream big and took the world by storm. So grab a seat, relax, and get ready for an exciting ride as we uncover the secrets behind CZ and the rise of Binance. Let's dive right in. The year is 2005, and the place is Shanghai, China. We meet a young man named Changpeng Zhao, or CZ. As we look back at his early life, we see a boy who loved learning. He spent hours reading books, studying hard, and asking questions. This burning curiosity led him to excel in school and made him a top student. But life was not always easy for young CZ. Despite being a brilliant student, he had to work part-time jobs to help support his family. After graduating high school, he decided to pursue his passion for computers and enrolled in university. He continued working part-time while studying, and after graduating, he landed a job at a tech company. Although the job was challenging, CZ was eager to learn and grow professionally. However, after working in the industry for a few years, he realized that he wanted something more. He longed for a job that would allow him to use his skills and knowledge to make a real difference in the world. Then everything changed when CZ immigrated to Canada and started working at a local casino as a dealer. While working at the casino, he met some interesting people and learned a lot about business and finance. It was during this time that he developed an interest in the stock market and started investing his savings. But as they say, every successful person has their moment of truth, and CZ was no exception. The dot-com bubble burst, wiping out many of his investments. However, instead of giving up, CZ saw this as an opportunity to learn and grow. He used the experience to refine his investment strategies and began working at a hedge fund. There he honed his skills and gained valuable knowledge about risk management and market analysis. As fate would have it, CZ found himself drawn to the world of cryptocurrencies, and let me tell you, his timing could not have been better. In 2013, CZ stumbled upon Bitcoin, and it was love at first sight. He was captivated by the technology and the potential it had to change the world, so he took the plunge. He sold his prized possessions, including his car and apartment, and went all in on Bitcoin. Most people thought he was crazy, but CZ knew he was onto something big. With the money from his sale, he started trading Bitcoin, and quickly made a fortune. But CZ was not just interested in making money. He wanted to be part of the solution. He wanted to be part of the cryptocurrency revolution. At that time, the cryptocurrency space was relatively small and lacked the infrastructure needed for mass adoption. CZ saw this as an opportunity to make a real impact. With his experience in finance and technology, he set out to create something special. But what exactly did he have in mind? CZ wasn't just looking to create any ordinary platform. He wanted to create a platform that would change the game. He wanted to create a platform that would make cryptocurrency trading fast, safe, and accessible to everyone. And that's when it hit him. He would create a platform that would allow people to trade cryptocurrencies without having to worry about security or speed. A platform that would make cryptocurrency trading easy and accessible for everyone. That's when Binance was born. But why the name Binance? Well, it's actually a combination of two words, binary and finance. It represents the platform's mission to make cryptocurrency trading as simple and straightforward as binary code. And let me tell you, CZ did not disappoint. He assembled a team of talented developers and designers and got to work. They worked tirelessly to create a platform that was not only fast and secure, but also user-friendly. They wanted to make sure that anyone, regardless of their technical expertise, could easily navigate the platform and trade cryptocurrencies with ease. And when they finally launched Binance in July 2017, the world took notice. The platform's speed and simplicity were unlike anything the industry had seen before. Traders flocked to Binance, and the platform quickly became one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. But CZ was not satisfied with just one product. He wanted to create a whole ecosystem of financial services that would cater to the needs of every crypto enthusiast. So he expanded Binance to offer a wide range of products, including futures trading, staking, and NFT marketplaces. He even launched an education platform to help people understand the basics of cryptocurrency trading. And all of this happened within just 180 days. Can you believe it? In just half a year, Binance went from being a small startup to being the biggest crypto exchange in the world. It was a meteoric rise that shocked the industry and left everyone wondering how they did it. One of the reasons for Binance's explosive growth was its unwavering focus on speed and efficiency. CZ knew that in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency trading, speed was of the essence. So he and his team worked tirelessly to make sure that Binance was always one step ahead of the competition. They implemented cutting-edge technology to ensure that trades were executed in the blink of an eye, giving users the confidence they needed to trade without any delays. But speed was not the only thing that set Binance apart. Its commitment to security was equally impressive. CZ knew that security was a major concern for cryptocurrency traders, so he made it a top priority. Binance implemented state-of-the-art security measures to protect users' assets, giving them the peace of mind they needed to trade with confidence. Another factor that contributed to Binance's success was its global reach. CZ had a vision of creating a truly global exchange that would allow people from all over the world to trade cryptocurrencies with ease. He made sure that Binance was available to users in more than 180 countries, breaking down geographical barriers and opening up the world of cryptocurrency trading to everyone. But perhaps the most important factor that set Binance apart was its commitment to accessibility. CZ knew that cryptocurrency trading should be easy and accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical expertise. So he and his team worked hard to make sure that Binance was user-friendly and intuitive. They designed a clean and easy-to-navigate interface that allowed traders to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies with just a few clicks of a button, and the results spoke for themselves. In just a few years, Binance had become the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange with millions of users worldwide. But CZ was not content with just being the biggest. He had a vision of making Binance the best and most trusted name in cryptocurrency. But the road to success was not always smooth. Binance faced its fair share of challenges, including regulatory hurdles, security breaches, and market volatility. But CZ and his team persevered. They worked tirelessly to comply with regulations, improve security measures, and navigate the volatile cryptocurrency market, and their hard work paid off. Binance not only survived but thrived, becoming a household name in the world of crypto. Today, Binance stands as a testament to the power of hard work, dedication, and innovation. CZ's story is an inspiration to us all, showing us that with determination and a willingness to take risks, we can achieve our dreams. But it's not just CZ who deserves the credit. The entire Binance team has played a pivotal role in the company's success. From the developers who created the platform to the marketers who promoted it, everyone has worked tirelessly to make Binance the best it can be. So here's to Binance and its remarkable journey so far. May the company continue to innovate, grow, and shape the future of cryptocurrency for years to come. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about one of the most successful entrepreneurs in the world. Now it's time to hear from you. What do you think of CZ in his journey? What are your thoughts on Binance and its impact on the cryptocurrency industry? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to stay up to date with the latest news and trends in the world of cryptocurrency, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.